Alright guys, we are jumping in the Z06. See if this thing will start after a year. Let's see here. Nope. What's up guys? Good morning, welcome back to the channel. It's bright and early, 6:30 in the morning in Orlando. Just dealing with some morning traffic. Today we are in the BMW. We're heading over to pick up the C5 Z06. That's right guys, the C5 Z06 coming back to the channel. We haven't seen it in over a year. Unfortunately, it's been at a shop. They haven't got around to it. So we're picking it up today, putting it in a trailer, taking it over to Tampa. There's a shop out there called PowerTech Performance. And hopefully they won't have it for more than just a couple weeks, and then we'll be able to have that thing back on the channel permanently. All right guys, we are at the Chevrolet dealership. We got the C5 Z06 here. Haven't seen this thing in forever. Every time I see it, God, I get so excited. I cannot wait to have this thing back in the garage. Hopefully it'll only be a few weeks at this new shop. We are going to try to get started and put into the trailer. We need to jump though. All right guys, we are jumping in the Z06. See if this thing will start after a year. Let's see here. Nope. Gonna need a jump. Should we go for it? Alright. Let's see here. It's been so long since I've seen this thing. I miss this thing. I can't wait to start driving it. Alrighty. Just thinking about it. Just thinking about it. Alright. Alright, here we go. Third time's a charm. We're getting close, getting close. All right, here we go. Fourth time's a charm. Oh, baby. She purrs so nice. God, I can't wait to start driving this thing again. This thing's so cool. Brings back memories. My mom used to have a... Oh no, that's not good. Give it another shot. Nope. Hopefully my alternator's not dead. Oh man. Alternator might be bad. Yeah. If it just died like that after you unplugged it. Give it another shot. Yeah. Well, she starts up smooth. I don't know if she's gonna stay alive though. She's staying alive. You just pull the plug off. So yeah, we've got 3 issues with the car that I remember. One was the draining of the AC into the passenger side floorboard. The other is the controls over here for the driver's side windows. They would work sometimes they wouldn't. And I think it was causing other electrical issues. And then the third big problem was the transmission or the diff. Not sure what's going on with that, but it's whining in 4th, 5th, and 6th gear. Yeah, the windows work. Alright, let's see here. Oh, the reverse thing. Remember trying to get it into reverse? Yeah. Oh, that was another issue. Forgot about that one. I forget how to do it now. It's been so long.
Switch is screwed up.
I remember I had to like shove it in there. Oh, there it goes, I think. Oh no, that was 5th. Damn it, was that it? Whoa, got it.
Found it.
Holy cow! Alright, she still drives. Smooth too. Clutch is nice and smooth. This thing's nice.
Straight. Just go straight. Yeah, straight. That's it. You're good.
All right, we did it. She's on the trailer. Now we gotta get out of this car. Ugh. Oh man, I'm way too big for this. I'm way too tall for this. Alright, let's see how we're doing this. Oh, the GoPro didn't hit the top, huh? Oh, yeah. Alright, we got the C5 all strapped up, ready to go. Get this door put up and head over to St. Pete. Goodbye, Frankie. We're in. Alright, we just got the PowerTech Performance. We're gonna unload the Z06, maybe go for a test drive and see what is actually all going on with this thing. It's not starting up. Do you wanna just push me off? Yeah, go ahead. Come on, push, Frankie. Alright, so it's dead. Let's figure out why it's dead and go from there.
Or, you know, this actually was the car that gave the Vipers all kinds of trouble, because this car here was light and nimble on the track, and even though the Viper made a lot of power, the Viper got down, man. It posted some amazing times, you know, a 12.5, 12.6 car out the box back in the day, that was some shit. Yeah. This here,
Seconds.
yeah, you ain't got it. Seconds hidden in there somewhere.
Yeah. First and second, then third, fourth, fifth, they're all pretty good.
Second's notchy too. But, well, this car had a whole good thing. If this car didn't come out, oh dude, yeah, your gates are done. Yeah. Oh, there's really something, bro. You're recording us right now?
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Just to kind of, if I go back and just like think about all the things I got.
No, that's fine, man. That's fine. If you get any money, I'll take it.
I'll send you a check. Sponsored by PowerTech Performance.
No, like your gate springs inside the tranny are gone. Okay. Like it no longer returns to center.
Gotcha.
Like it is definitely not happy. Yeah, you hear that? That's here. Hold the shifter. Feel it.
Yeah.
That's a gear. That's a gear set. Yeah. So we'll go up here. We'll get going a little bit faster. So when it's a differential, like what you want to listen for is you have, you know, your accelerate and coast on the gears. So the gears are kind of like a helical kind of thing where they kind of mesh together. It's like a screw is how it works. So if there's a problem in the differential, like if that's the main problem, you'll know on when you get on it and when you let off. So if the lash has gone out, if the fluid's been, you know, just way past its prime and the fluid's gone to complete dog shit, then it no longer creates that little bit of cushion buffer that the fluid does, is what it really, you know, what it's really there for. Yeah. That there is gear. That's the fourth gear is ready to be, it's out like a fat kid in dodgeball. That gear is out, dude. She is not happy. When we get going faster up here on 28, so we'll go and I'm going to get it into a higher gear, and when it's diff, when you lay on it a little more, you're going to hear it whining in the back. Either accelerate or when you coast. When you coast and you let off, you hear it on the decel and it'll chatter from the ass end of the car. This is definitely transmission. This is definitely not happy, I can tell you that. It's just, everything's very loose as far as the gears, like the shifting of it. Yeah. So, but yeah, that fourth gear whine, it's isolating it in that gear. So like here, so let's do like a test. So there, the only thing we went, that's tranny, not diff, because it's isolated right there. We just went first to fourth. Yeah. No, and these tires might be really flat spotted. They've been sitting there for a year. I don't know. So see where we're going. I pop it out of sixth, and the noise isn't there any longer. So it's really transmission. So it's transmission. It's very upset. First one was an 01, man. It was my baby. I was so excited when I drove that thing out of the dealership, bro. You know when you're happy, you like hear the BGs going on, man, in your head, like you feel so excited. Oh yeah. Like I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it stock, man. It wasn't 2 weeks. I had that sucker in the air, ripping the exhaust off. Yeah. Wife mad at me again. No, I mean the day I got this thing, I freaked out, man. This it's so much fun. It's 20 years old. It's still a blast. Seriously? Well, yeah. You look at it. It's old enough to drink. Yeah. I mean, and it's still fun, man. So, but it's clean. Like, look, your interior's together. Your glove box isn't falling open. Even your airbag. Like, this is a thing in C5s. The airbag isn't even sticky yet. Like, this is a good car, man. Like, this is a nice. Other than this, sounding like you got a Magnus on here, and you don't. Other than that howl you got going on, your video work. Like, yeah.
You can save on your monthly mortgage payments.
Even the bonds are still here. Seriously, like
usually they're all worn out.
Yeah, seriously.
Or they're refinancing your home loan
they're missing.
And letting me pay your closing costs. Rates this low.
Look, the tweeters aren't even blown. Like, not even done hurting the car yet, man.
Yeah. No, I mean, dude, when I saw it, I was like, fuck, this thing looks really nice. And it sounded amazing. And it grip really good. I did a quarter mile run in 12.9 or 12.7 or something like that.
And it's got basic stuff done.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, the guy had like I said, he has a book of everything that's been done to it. So I don't know.
Well, she's a good car, Matt. Like, if you decide to keep it, cool. If you want to sell it and just fix it, that's cool too. I mean, but she's a good car. So if you do decide to get rid of it, you know, you're giving someone a good solid foundation. This car's not by any means like a Craigslist find where it's like, man, it's here or take it apart. I mean, it's a good car. This is a good driver. It's a survivor. The car needs a detail and some basic stuff. This is some shit. Yeah, I can't tell you the last time I could take like a C5 shift knob and go in a circle. Like, it's pretty whooped in there, dude. It feels like there's like pudding or like peanut butter in there. Like,
pretty terrible.
Look at that, dude. You can hey man, can you put that in a gear for me? You could literally have like, you could share it. It's just whooped. The shifter's whooped.
I bought that.
Yeah, you paid money for this, dude. Yeah.
All right, guys. So we just let the shop owner take a ride in the Corvette. Transmission is shot, but he said that the engine runs really well. The car drives straight. Car drives really well, but definitely needs a new transmission. We have an estimate here. We'll go over the whole thing. A couple things that we need to get fixed in the car. One is the transmission. Look at this shifter. It literally goes all over the place. The other thing is over in the passenger side floorboard, we're getting a little leak coming from the AC. I guess the ducts in there get clogged up, so the AC condensation drips down. Also over here on the door, the driver's side door, this panel likes to go in and out. Sometimes the windows work, sometimes they don't. Apparently there is a connection inside this boot here. The connectors get in there, they get a little loose or whatnot, so they're going to tighten all those up. So for the level 4 RPM transmission, a rebuild, we're looking at $2,700. We got some couplers and stuff for the drive shaft and the torque tube. Those run about $230 to about $235 and $65 for the prop shaft bearings. Total comes down after tax, tag, title, everything. We're looking at $5,300 in repairs. So that should get us up and running. Brand new transmission. Get the torque tube all freshened up. But yeah, the car doesn't really need anything else. So we're gonna start there. We're gonna get those repaired. I think it's gonna be a couple weeks, and then we'll come back by and pick up the Corvette. Do a little 360 around the car. Haven't seen it in a while. You guys haven't seen it in over a year, so get one last look at it for a couple more weeks. And oh man, I can't wait to get this thing back, get it cleaned up, and just start ripping around in it. Just being in it for a little bit with the shop owner was awesome again. But anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for the end of the video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys haven't already, go and hit the like button and go and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Later.